Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2021 Toyota Corolla. To begin this project, you would need a ratchet with a 10mm socket or 12 socket to take off the battery bracket itself. Just use your socket and your wrench to turn it clockwise until you feel the bolt loosen up itself. Reach down with your hand, remove that battery bracket. Proceed to take off your negative terminal nets for step 2, which also known as the ground on your battery here as well. You can use a wrench or you can use a socket. So right now we are using a 10mm wrench to disconnect the negative terminal. Once you remove the negative, proceed over to the positive terminal and do the same exact thing. Just turn it clockwise. Use your ratchet or your wrench to take off your positive terminal as well. Now you'll be able to lift the battery directly out of the car itself and insert your new battery. We are installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2021 Toyota Corolla. Go ahead and tighten up your battery itself back down to the battery box itself. So let's go ahead and connect it back. And once you get that back into that groove, that hole, you take your wrench, 10mm, and it's going to tighten up that screw on the bottom of that box to hold your battery in place. And this is your first time visiting Battery Guyz Nation. We are adding added value today. We just ask for one thing. You can give us a thumbs up. That will help the algorithm to push the video into the YouTube atmosphere, where someone else looking for a 2021 how to install a battery, you can help them out as well. Likewise, it's your first time visiting Battery Guyz with a Z. Subscribe to the channel as well, because we are doing all types of installs. We're showing you exactly how to recycle and get started in the business as well. So what we're doing now, we're connecting the positive terminal back onto this battery. Use a 10mm socket or wrench to tighten up that bolt. Just turn it clockwise till you feel it tighten up on the post itself. In the future too, if you need a battery, make sure you jump over to our website at batteryguyz.com and get the same battery, any other battery you need for a vehicle at half the cost, shipped directly to your house, free shipping, up to a 2-year warranty as well too. Okay, your next step is you want to go and connect your ground, which is also known as your negative terminal, back onto the battery post itself right here. Use your 10mm socket or wrench to tighten up that negative post right there. Turn it clockwise until you feel it tighten up as well. This completes the process of exactly how to install a battery in a 2021 Toyota Corolla. Again, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment as well, and also too, look into our franchise opportunity at batteryguyz.com.